So guys, today we are going to unbox a portable monitor from MageDok or MageDok. There is two cables coming with it, one HDMI to mini HDMI cable and a micro USB cable. And there is a manual. Oh wow, it's 2K resolution. That is 2560 by 1600 resolution, and it is having 10.1 inch screen size. We have a bunch of ports here, one DC power input and one USB which is also for power, and one 3.5 mm audio jack for output audio, and two HDMI ports. On the other side there is a bunch of switches for menu button, power switch and volume controls. Okay, let's power it up. Actually there is no adapter came with it, so I am using my 2.4 ampere 5 volt mobile charger. Let's connect my Raspberry Pi with it. Okay, just switch it on. Okay, now it's on. Oh wow, the display is so good. Let's connect the keyboard and just play some videos and check the display. Let's play a video from unboxing therapy. The viewing angle is also so good. Let's increase the volume. Actually the volume minus is working as volume plus, and volume plus is working as volume minus. So guys, this is my first unboxing video. So if you do like the video, then please give a like, and for more videos don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. So today we are going to unbox the Kundam. Okay, switches. This is the menu button. This is the power on button, and we have wire on the go buttons. Actually the volume minus is working as volume plus, and volume plus is working as volume minus. അപ്പോൾ ഈ കമ്പനിക്കാർ നമുക്ക് പൈസ എന്നാലേ വീഡിയോ കൊണ്ട്